What up, everyone? This is my 2001 S10 Roadster project that I'm building. This is the first time I've done this, so please bear with me. But this is a Jeremy. What we're doing is capping off the top of the cab with the bedside. He's putting some tacks on there, and then of course, we got to make sure that it's level and everything else. Shout out to Jeremy for helping me out in a huge way, showing me how to do this pretty much. It's my first time. So, and then this is me. Hope you enjoy it. I'm still tack welding here. I'm taking my time because I do not want to warp the doors and make excessive body work and just make it easy on myself, to be honest. That's what I was told, is to just take my time and be patient with it and get it done. I decided to keep the mirror, so I'm just cutting it off right here. I have the other side to do. I will post it at a later date. I'm not done with it yet. But if you like this video, comment, subscribe, share, and hope to see you on the next video. Thank you for tuning in.